Most men over 40 think they need expensive suits to look refined. They don't. The real upgrade is mastering how a blazer and trousers work together in spring light. In this guide, you'll learn modern 2026 fits, balanced colors, and proportions that sharpen your silhouette without looking stiff or young. These combinations are comfortable, breathable, and designed for real life, coffee meetings, travel, and casual evenings. Stay until the end for the biggest mistake almost every mature man makes. If you enjoy practical, timeless style advice every week, subscribe and turn on notifications today. 1. The lightweight silk-cashmere crewneck advantage. Many men over 40 unknowingly dress heavier than necessary in spring. Thick sweaters create bulk around the torso and make posture look tired. A lightweight silk-cashmere crewneck solves this instantly. The fabric regulates temperature, so you stay warm during cool mornings, yet comfortable in afternoon sun. Pair it with tailored mid-rise stone chinos and suede penny loafers. The look feels relaxed but intentional. The smooth drape of silk cashmere schemes the body instead of clinging, which subtly refines your silhouette without appearing tight. Choose muted colors like sage or soft sand, rather than loud tones. This is the secret. Mature style isn't louder, it's calmer. Add a simple leather strap watch and fine-gauge socks. You'll look composed, modern, and quietly expensive without trying to look fashionable. 2. The half-zip silk cashmere smart casual upgrade. The half-zip knit is one of the safest upgrades a mature man can adopt. It sits between formal and casual, which is exactly where modern style lives. Silk cashmere makes this piece exceptional because the zipper opening frames the face and elongates the neckline. Wear it over a lightweight cotton poplin shirt and combine it with navy wool blend trousers. The combination communicates authority without stiffness. Sneakers are acceptable here, but they must be minimal leather sneakers, not athletic trainers. A soft neutral color like warm taupe or muted blue looks refined in daylight. This outfit works for lunch meetings, weekend cafes, or travel days. The beauty of silk cashmere is effortlessness. You appear polished without layering multiple garments, which is why many men over 40 quietly adopt it. 3. The silk cashmere polo that replaces the blazer. A blazer is not always necessary anymore. The modern alternative is the silk cashmere knit polo. Its collar frames the face like tailoring, but feels far more relaxed. For men over 40, this matters because stiffness ages your appearance. Choose a deep navy silk cashmere polo and pair it with off-white tailored trousers. The contrast brightens your complexion and draws attention upward. Brown leather loafers finish the outfit cleanly. Unlike cotton polos, silk cashmere holds structure and avoids wrinkling throughout the day. This makes it ideal for dinners, casual offices, or weekend events. The message it sends is maturity without rigidity. Style at this stage of life is about controlled simplicity. When people can't identify why you look sharp, you know you dressed correctly. 4. The silk cashmere cardigan layering secret. Many mature men avoid cardigans because they remember bulky grandparent styles. Modern silk cashmere cardigans are different. They are thin, structured, and surprisingly flattering. Wear a charcoal silk cashmere cardigan open over a fine cotton t-shirt and combine it with tailored dark denim. This creates depth without heaviness. The cardigan acts like a soft jacket, perfect for fluctuating spring temperatures. Add suede chukka boots for texture contrast. The reason this works is proportional layering. The IC's clean vertical lines, making the body appear taller and leaner. Avoid oversized fits. Slight structure is key. Silk cashmere drapes naturally and removes the stiffness typical knitwear creates. This single piece often becomes a daily essential because it adapts to errands, casual dinners, and travel effortlessly. 5. The silk cashmere overshirt replacement. Instead of heavy jackets, many men over 40 now use a silk cashmere overshirt knit. It delivers warmth without stiffness and feels almost weightless. Choose a soft olive button front knit overshirt layered over a light chambray shirt. Combine it with beige pleated trousers and leather derby shoes. The pleats add comfort while maintaining a sophisticated shape. This outfit excels during early evening spring weather when temperatures drop slightly. Silk-Cashmere adapts naturally to body heat, preventing overheating indoors. The important detail is restraint. Keep colors earthy and natural. Avoid bold prints. Mature elegance is consistency, not attention-seeking. When clothing harmonizes with your age and environment, people notice you, not your outfit, and that is the highest level of style. Six, the Silk-Cashmere mock neck confidence layer. The mock neck is quietly becoming a favorite among well-dressed men over 40. It replaces scarves and eliminates the need for heavy jackets during transitional spring weather. A burgundy Silk-Cashmere mock neck sweater provides warmth around the neck while keeping the torso clean and streamlined. Combine it with charcoal-tailored wool trousers and dark brown cap-toe boots. The vertical simplicity sharpens posture and projects calm authority without looking formal. Many men overlook how framing the neck improves facial presence, especially in daylight. The Silk-Cashmere blend maintains temperature balance, so you remain comfortable walking indoors or outside. Finish the outfit with patterned dress socks and a brushed steel watch. The overall impression is composed and masculine, not trendy. This is modern maturity. Strong presence created by subtle structure and restrained color harmony. Seven, the relaxed Silk-Cashmere V-neck balance. A V-neck knit works best when the fabric is refined. Silk-Cashmere gives the neckline a natural drape, preventing the awkward collapse common in cotton sweaters. Choose a soft sky blue V-neck layered over a pale striped shirt. Pair it with warm gray flat front trousers and suede tassel loafers. This combination introduces light color near the face, improving complexion and visual freshness. Men over 40 benefit from brightness near the collar because it softens facial lines. The look feels approachable, yet still sophisticated. Keep the shirt collar open and avoid ties. Add ribbed socks and a minimalist leather watch. The result suits spring lunches, casual meetings, or gallery visits. When clothing appears effortless and breathable, people associate you with confidence rather than fashion effort. 8. The Silk-Cashmere lightweight hoodie alternative. Casual style after 40 should feel intentional, not juvenile. A Silk-Cashmere lightweight knit hoodie achieves that balance. Unlike athletic hoodies, it drapes smoothly and carries a refined texture. Choose a soft sand-colored version and combine it with olive-tailored drawstring trousers. Finish with clean leather slip-on sneakers. This outfit is excellent for travel days or weekend walks because it provides movement without losing structure. The refined knit eliminates bulk while still protecting from cool breezes. Include tonal socks and a matte metal watch. The goal is controlled relaxation. When clothing fits properly and materials look elevated, even casual outfits appear deliberate. This is why many mature men adopt knit hoodies. They provide comfort but maintain dignity, which is the true objective of modern adult style. Nine, the textured Silk-Cashmere knit jacket. For men who still want structure, a knit jacket made of Silk-Cashmere is a perfect middle ground. It functions like tailoring, but feels as comfortable as a sweater. Select a deep forest green knit jacket with soft lapels, and wear it over a light merino tee. Combine with sand-colored tailored trousers and leather monkstrap shoes. The layered texture creates visual depth without weight. Mature style relies heavily on texture contrast rather than color contrast. The Silk-Cashmere fabric holds its shape while remaining flexible during movement. Add patterned socks and a polished watch. This outfit transitions smoothly from afternoon meetings to evening dinners. Instead of appearing overdressed, you look prepared. Preparedness is one of the most attractive visual signals a mature man can project. 10. The Silk-Cashmere Scarf Substitute Layer. Many men rely on scarves for spring mornings, but a fine silk cashmere shawl collar sweater replaces that function more cleanly. The raised collar warms the neck while maintaining a sophisticated line. Choose a warm camel shawl collar knit and pair it with dark navy pleated trousers and polished leather loafers. The contrast between warm and cool tones makes the outfit visually balanced. Pleats improve comfort and create natural drape when walking. Include dress socks and a vintage-style watch. The shawl collar subtly frames the face, drawing attention upward and improving presence in conversation. Mature style is about directing attention to expression and posture. When clothing supports that goal, you look confident without appearing styled. That is why silk cashmere remains a preferred fabric among experienced dressers. The silk cashmere overshirt evolution. The overshirt is often associated with heavy flannel, but a silk cashmere overshirt changes the entire impression. It becomes lighter, smoother, and appropriate for mature men who want structure without stiffness. Choose a muted slate blue silk cashmere overshirt worn over an ivory long sleeve polo. Pair it with tobacco cotton twill trousers and dark espresso derby shoes. The outfit feels masculine yet calm. The overshirt acts as a soft jacket, ideal for a cool spring midday. Solid navy socks and an elegant silver dress watch complete the look. What makes this effective is proportion. The overshirt frames the torso while the polo softens the chest area. Mature dressing is about removing harsh edges. Instead of appearing rugged or casual, you appear composed, balanced, and naturally confident during everyday activities outdoors. The refined silk cashmere cardigan system. A cardigan can look outdated unless the material elevates it. Silk cashmere transforms it into a sophisticated layering piece. Select a deep plum button cardigan over a soft cream Oxford shirt. Combine with mid-gray pleated trousers and burgundy leather loafers. The visual effect is calm authority rather than business formality. Mature men benefit from cardigans because they soften the shoulder line while still shaping the torso. Solid charcoal socks and a thin gold wristwatch reinforce elegance. This outfit works well for social gatherings, reading cafes, or relaxed meetings. The cardigan allows movement and comfort without sacrificing presence. Instead of sharp tailoring, the style communicates stability and approachability. That is the strength of silk cashmere layering. It creates quiet confidence that people notice without understanding exactly why the outfit feels reassuring. The silk cashmere knit polo modern classic. The knit polo is a favorite among mature dressers because it replaces both the shirt and sweater. A silk cashmere knit polo in warm terracotta gives warmth without weight. Pair it with off-white tailored chinos and dark brown horsebit loafers. The color contrast draws attention upward while maintaining sophistication. Plain brown socks and a minimalist leather strap watch maintain harmony. The collar frames the face gently, which improves overall presentation in natural light. The knit texture also removes the stiffness associated with woven shirts. This outfit is excellent for daytime walks, outdoor lunches, or spring travel. Mature style works best when clothing moves naturally with the body. The silk cashmere knit polo achieves that balance. Refined, comfortable, and masculine without appearing overly styled or youthful. 14. The lightweight silk cashmere travel blouson. Instead of a sporty windbreaker, a silk cashmere blouson provides refined protection against cool breezes. Choose a muted sage green blouson layered over a soft beige crewneck tee. Pair it with stone-colored wool trousers and caramel leather sneakers. The blouson's soft structure adds maturity while still allowing freedom of movement. Solid taupe socks and a brushed titanium watch keep the palette balanced. Mature men often look best in subtle earth tones because they harmonize with natural daylight. The blouson offers warmth without bulk and keeps the silhouette clean. This outfit is ideal for city walks or travel days. When comfort and elegance exist together, people interpret the wearer as experienced and composed rather than fashionable. That perception is the true objective of well-chosen spring layering. 15. The Silk-Cashmere Evening Transitional Layer. Spring evenings still carry a chill, and a silk-cashmere zip cardigan solves the problem without heavy coats. Select a midnight navy zip cardigan layered over a pale blue dress shirt. Pair with sand dress trousers and black leather penny loafers. The darker upper layer anchors the outfit visually, while the lighter shirt brightens the face. Solid black socks and a classic black leather strap watch complete the look. Mature men benefit from simple contrasts because they emphasize posture rather than clothing detail. The zip cardigan offers flexibility, partially open indoors, closed outdoors. This versatility makes it practical for dinners or evening gatherings. Silk-Cashmere maintains warmth while remaining breathable. The overall result communicates composure and readiness, which is often the defining feature of truly elegant, mature style. Now you've seen how small changes in blazer cut, trouser rise, and fabric weight completely transform presence after 40. Style isn't about chasing trends, it's about control, comfort, and consistency. Build 2 or 3 reliable combinations, and you'll always be prepared for spring days and cool evenings. Remember, the goal is to look intentional, never overdressed. If this guide helped you, support the channel by liking the video and sharing it with a friend who needs a wardrobe upgrade. Subscribe for weekly over 40 style guides and activate notifications so you never miss the next transformation.